There's something to be aware of about the present situation of the internet in the present day. With the ever-growing advancements in technology, anything is possible by the simple press of a button with just one keystroke and just one page on your screen. Given the increasing number of and more possibilities now available by technology, I am presenting to you this new way to earn money. You will just need your voice and an instrument with a click of your finger and you'll be able to make money fast. Be aware that you'll make use of your voice box by saying some words out loud and then sending them to tons of clients. By doing this, you can make more money fast and effectively. With the method as impressive as this, you might think about how much you need to put into this. I'll inform you that the one requirement is a voice box, and if you have one, and you have one, then you're set for this top money-making method on the internet. You don't need to pay for costs for investment or payments of any form since this technique is 100% free. On top of that, you can use this method no matter where you are on the planet because it's accessible to anyone around the world. And the fun doesn't end there, since you can earn money even if you're just a beginner. There aren't any skills or prior experience needed to pull this whole thing off. So forget about the worry, because there's no reason to worry about it anymore. Now, what do you need to do to benefit from this method to earn money online? The answer is easy. All you need to do is look over through this tutorial from the first second until the final and ensure that you do not skip any portions to ensure that you don't skip a single aspect that could impact your success in this manner. So you can lay back and relax and get ready as I take you on earning money online. Before we get started, where we will show you how to earn money online in the easiest method. To do this, make sure to join this channel and make sure to hit the notification bell to ensure that each time we release a new video on making money online, you'll be updated and start to see things happening. Do not forget to make sure to give the video a massive thumbs up. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments regarding the video, don't be timid and post a comment in the comments below. Now let's go back to the video with the brief background it provided you with. I'm sure you're more than pumped to learn more about this method. But before I launch the website, let me show you an overview of the potential earnings you can earn. As you see there, that your payout rate could depend on the number of words you've read and the duration of the project. For instance, you could be paid from $100 to $249 by allotting up to 2 minutes the script that's only 300 or fewer words. If you consider it, 2 minutes fly by like a breeze at the ocean. To give you an idea of that, 2 minutes pass by in an instant, as it's more than enough to earn you coffee, since the information on this site has many more possibilities as the word counts rise by the number of words you read. The amount you earn will continue to increase in line with the increasing word count and completed minutes as the final category. You could earn $11,000 when you read a text that contains between 400 and 500 to 6,000 words. And if the word count exceeds the limit, you could earn an amount of money that is higher than the categories presented. Thus, getting the custom quote seems appealing, right? Fortunate for you to have discovered this video so that you're equipped with the information needed to pull it all off. Without any further delay, let's dive to the only site for this video, which is known as Voices.com. Simply type it into your search box and click enter. Once you're on their homepage, you'll be immediately presented with the following text declaring their site is the top one source for voice-over and production of audio. Voices.com is a professional voice actor hiring and musicians as audio producers or translators to work on creative client projects. If you scroll down, you will see that creative teams, teachers, and producers from the biggest agencies and brands trust their voices to complete their projects. You can find this information on their homepage. Below it, you can find the huge brands that collaborate using voices for their projects, and these firms are not just a joke. They include Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Val, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulk. By partnering with these giant companies to make use of voice talents and services, you're in good hands, as this is a clear indication that Voices is a trustworthy website. This also means that you do not need to be concerned about anything, because Voices.com is a site that is awash in transparency, integrity, and credibility. With Voices.com, you can earn your earnings through a variety of payment options. Among that is PayPal, which is, without doubt, the most well-known payment method on the internet money-making world. They are also accessible for other payment options like bank transfers and many more. At this point, You're probably eager to give this site an attempt, which is great, as that's what we'll follow next. But before we sign up, let's discover how this whole procedure works to avoid any miscommunications, misunderstandings, and confusion, so that the whole experience is smooth at the top of the homepage. I'd like you to visit this link that explains how it operates. After you've clicked the link, you'll be taken to this page from where you'll discover the site's mechanisms and general process, as illustrated below. There'll be an overall of 4 easy steps to follow when you're trying to earn money through the website. The first thing you'll have is to create an account and upload some audio samples. Creating a profile for your voice is free and lets you show off all your recordings of your voice and skills in translation that you're able to upload examples of your work. Lets you appear in searches of clients and demonstrate the skills you have once you've completed this process. The next step you'll have to do is respond to invitations for jobs that you receive from clients who discover your profile when searching on the marketplace for voice talent. Each invite includes an outline of what the client is looking for and the budget. Send your response in the form of samples of your work, either custom or already existing, with a short proposal, as well as your estimate, in just a couple of minutes. Now for the next step, it becomes more straightforward as you're now employed, and that's where you'll do your actual work. You can use their intuitive and purpose-built platform to handle every aspect of the project, including the review and approval of specifications, before communicating directly with clients via private messaging to manage revisions and uploading of files, and finalizing the final step, that is to be paid. And keep in mind that you will get your money 100%. Do not have to worry about payment ever again with their secure payment protection service during your work. Your money is secured through voice recordings and then released to you via PayPal when the project is completed. They also pay your costs of PayPal, and everything will be handed over to you on a silver platter. We'll go back a bit. Do you remember when I said that you'll make use of your voice box for earning money? That's a fact of that. However, what I would like you to understand is that performing voiceovers is only the tip of the iceberg. Voices.com provides a myriad of jobs that can be adapted to a variety of talents possessed by an array of freelancers from all over the world. Besides voiceover jobs, there's a music production and audio production, and these categories mean there are subcategories you can look through to find the ideal job. But let me inform you that voiceover is the most straightforward of these jobs. So I'd like you to pay attention. However, I'm not restricting your options to just one thing, so you are free to explore further. As the saying goes, the world is yours. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Let's go back to the video. Now that you know the thing you've been waiting for, let's move in. Registering to get an account free of charge, you must return to the homepage and click the sign up button. Once you've reached the home page, I would like you to move your focus towards the upper right corner of the page. Click on the blue button right here that says sign up. When you click it, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to begin the registration process. First, they'll ask you about what you're seeking to accomplish. We've already told you that we're working as freelancers through this website. Therefore, the best answer to this question is which says to find jobs as a talent, so select that option. Next, are now required to input your personal information on the second section, including your full name, your email address, and password. After filling these fields, just click this box to confirm that you have read and agree to the terms of service on this website and privacy policies. Once you've finished, all that you need to do is hit the continue button here, and you're all set. In the end, you can also choose to take a more straightforward method by registering for an account using Google or Apple. This is simpler, so pick the one that works best for you. Once you've got your account, you'll now have to access your dashboard, which will let you explore a myriad of industries that could be a good fit for your talents. Could choose to work in advertisements, broadcasting, consumer brands, and education, among many other fields in this massive collection. Let me help you avoid the headache of choosing which sector is the best to be in, so you don't miss every second. So, from the vast array of segments, I suggest you concentrate all your energy and focus on 3 of the highest paying areas, namely gaming and education in advertising. Trust me, I've conducted a lot of research and came that these 3 fields provide the highest pay rates, and that's the information I'm going to share with you. On top of that, the jobs in these industries are much less demanding, meaning you don't have to put in the effort and overwork yourself. So for example, if you clicked on an advertisement, You will be able to find many voices from different parts of the globe with lots of diversity in the form of varying genders, age groups, and different languages spoke. The site caters to every group of people, which is why this is an issue with these different listings. Let me provide a hint: you can broaden your options and seek out jobs that require longer periods, perhaps 30 minutes and more. You can accomplish this by going out to the jobs section to find the jobs you can take on that pay the same rates as those listed in the listings. Once you've selected a project, everything is going to go smoothly. You simply must take the script and take it into any device you have and send it to the clients you want to work with, and in as little as 1, 2, 3 you'll earn money online. That's it. Be sure to sign up to the channel and click the notification bell, then hit the like button. I'll be back in the next video.